Hi, how are you, first grade? Welcome back from your 3-day weekend. I hope you're ready to learn. Okay, well, we're starting a new chapter on money. I know that you and Miss Margot have been using money as a reward system um, before remote learning occurred, and so let's see how much you remember about money. Let's look at this example. Do you know the name of this coin? These are the two faces of a penny. Hmm, how much is one penny? A penny has a value of 1 cent, or is also denoted as 1 with this cent sign over here. What about these coins here? Let's see. Do you recall the name of these coins here? We have the front side with the heads and the back sides here. These are the two faces of a nickel. What's the value of 1 nickel? A nickel has a value of 5 cents, or we write it with the number 5 and the cent sign. What about these coins here? These are the two faces of a dime. A dime has a value of 10 cents, or we write it with the number 10 and the cent sign here. Now notice this symbol that I highlighted in purple. What does that symbol mean? That symbol here, with the C and a line drawn through it, means cents. Now, how do we know the difference between a penny, a nickel, and a dime? Well, we can think of it by color. The penny is the only coin that is bronze colored, that is copper colored. All the other coins that we have are silver. We can also differentiate between the coins by sizes. The dime is the smallest coin that we have. It's smaller than a penny. It's smaller than a nickel. So we can understand the different values of the coins by also looking at their sizes. All right. Well, let's look over here. I want you to do the guided practice numbers 1 through 6 on your own. Pause the video, try it on your whiteboard, and when you're ready, press play. See you soon. Hi again, you must be ready. Let's see what you got. A nickel has a value of 5 cents. A dime has a value of 10 cents. A penny has a value of 1 cent. Let's look at these group of coins that we have. How many pennies are there? Well, I know that the penny is bronze in color or copper in color. So I'm going to count all the copper coins. Here they are, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 pennies. How many nickels are there? Well, how do I know the difference between a nickel and a dime? Which one's bigger? Which one's smaller? If I remember correctly, a nickel is bigger than a dime. A dime is smaller than a nickel. So I'm going to count the nickels. Here they are. Here's a nickel, here's a nickel, here's a nickel, and here's a nickel. There are 4 nickels. And finally, here are the dimes. The dimes are the smallest coins. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 dimes. All right, way to go. If you need to practice more, maybe you can ask your parents for a group of coins and you can just practice identifying penny, nickel, dime, nickel, penny, and so forth. Okay, now let's practice skip counting. Let's look at this. What's the name of these coins? These are all pennies. What's the value of 1 penny? It's 1 cent. So how much total do I have on this screen here? We're going to skip count by 1 4 times. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 cents on the screen. Here's another example. What's the name of this coin? Well, it's not bronze, it's not copper, it's silver. So it has to be a nickel or a dime. But it doesn't look as small as a dime. So it must be a nickel. All right. Well, what's the value of 1 nickel? 1 nickel is 5 cents. There are 3 nickels, so we're going to skip count by 5 3 times because there are 3 nickels. Ready? 5, 10, 15. There are 15 cents on the screen. Here's one more example. Here are my dimes. I have 3 dimes. What is the value of 1 dime? It's 10 cents. How much total do I have on the screen? Well, I see that there are 3 dimes. 1 dime is 10 cents, so I will skip count by 10 3 times. Ready? 10, 20, 30. There are 30 cents on the screen. It's your turn. Please pause the video and try numbers 7, 8, and 9 on your own. All right, I'll be waiting. Hi again. Let's see what you did. Let's see. Here for number 7, I have pennies. So each penny is worth 1 cent. I will count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cents. What about here for number 8? What's the name of these coins? These coins are nickels. What is the value of 1 nickel? 1 nickel is 5 cents. Let's skip count by 5s. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 20. There are 20 cents. Let's look at number 9. What's the name of these coins? These are dimes. What is the value of 1 dime? The value of 1 dime is 10 cents. We will skip count by 10s. Ready? 10. Oops, sorry, my mouse arrow disappeared on me. 10, 20. There are 20 cents. Sloth is very impressed. Okay, all right. Now we're going to find the value of a group of coins that are different. Let's look at this example. What kind of coins do you see? I see some nickels. I see some pennies. What's the value of 1 nickel? 5 cents. What's the value of 1 penny? 1 cent. So we're going to skip count to find the total. But I would recommend skip counting with the largest value first. What's the largest value? It's 5. Let's skip count. Ready? 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. Okay? So when I counted the nickels, I skip counted by 5. And then when I started counting the pennies, I skip counted by 1. Of course, you don't have to start with the biggest value of coins. You can start with the smallest value of coins. But it might, for most students, it is more difficult to start with the smaller value of coins and skip count than to start with the larger value of coins and skip count. For example, if we wanted to skip count here with the smaller value of coins, which is a penny, let's try it. 1, 2. Then we have to skip count by 5. Okay? So 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 5 is, let's see, 7, and then I have to add 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. And then 12 plus 5 is, and I get a, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 17 cents. As you can see, it might take a little bit more of brain power to skip count starting with the smaller number. Either way, you can still get the right answer. I would recommend when you're starting out to skip count with the biggest value coin first, as it can be a little bit faster. So, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 cents on the screen. Okay, pause the video. Please try this on your own, and I will see you when you're ready. Okay, see you soon. You're ready already? Ooh, you guys are fast. Okay, let's try it together. So let's start with the biggest value of coins. I see I have dimes here and pennies here. 1 dime is 10 cents. 1 penny is 1 cent. So let's skip count. Let's skip count with the dimes. Ready? 10, 20. Now let's skip count with the pennies. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. There are 25 cents. All right, let's look at number 11. So I have nickels and I have pennies. What's the value of 1 nickel? What's the value of 1 penny? A nickel is 5 cents. A penny is 1 cent. Let's start with the biggest value coins, which is a nickel. Let's skip count the nickels. 5, 10, 15. Let's add the pennies. 16, 17. There are 17 cents on the screen. Yeah, Batman and Robin are nodding with you in agreement. All right, that's all for today. I will see you next time. Bye.